Today's project is brought to you by Cricut, and it is a last-minute Halloween costume. So I decided to do Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc. So for this project, you will need a green t-shirt, black iron-on vinyl, white iron-on vinyl, and of course your Cricut machine. So let's get started in Design Space. So in Cricut Design Space, I found this cute little file. It's Mike Wazowski. It is a paid file. It's $1.99. What I did is I took it and I modified it, and just to have the eyeball and the mouth. And so we're not going to be using this part over here, so we'll just get rid of that. But we'll use this part. Now you can find, I will put a link to this modified version in the description box so that you can use it as well. So we're just going to stretch it out a little bit here. The shirt I'm using is an extra large, so I'll just stretch it out to be as big as my mat can hold, which is about 12 inches. So of course, adjust to the size that you need. If you're making this for a toddler, you won't need it as big. So just keep that in mind. You can adjust it to whatever size that you need. And then we'll go over and click Make It and start the cutting process. I have the shirt folded in half this direction, and then I press along here, and it just kind of gives you a center guideline of where things should be lined up. Okay. And then in order to find the center of this, I'm going to take it and fold it, and I'll just kind of finger press the paper. So then I can kind of line up this line right here with my ironed line, and then it will get centered. So I'm going to put it down a few inches from the top and line it up. My top line, my bottom line. Now you'll notice that as I'm putting this on, there's a little bit of, maybe you can't tell through the camera because the transfer carrier is clear, but there's a little bit of this black that's showing through, and we don't want to iron directly on the vinyl. So a couple things you can do. Let me see, I don't think that I got that exactly how I want it. You can, if you saved your piece from the black, you can put that on top of everything, and that will protect the black vinyl. Or you can also use a piece of parchment paper if you have some of that handy. Again, on the mouth we have a little bit of the vinyl that is outside of the carrier, so I'm just going to grab my piece right here from when I ironed the black on and stick it over the whole thing, and then I won't get my easy press on the vinyl by mistake. I'll try to make it as flat as possible. And then we'll flip it to the back side one more time, and we'll do a quick 15 seconds.